Hey, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel. This is Cracks in Time. I'm your host, Rick. So today is just going to be a simple DW-9052 battery change. I've never done one of these. If you've seen my videos before, my battery change videos, my quote-unquote restoration videos, refresh videos, whatever you like to call them, I just go into it blind, which is probably not the smartest thing to do, but I figure it can't be that hard. So we're gonna do the same thing here. We got a new battery. Oh man, I should have opened that battery. Now that I think about it, it's gonna be a real pain to do that on camera because these things are not fun to open. Anyway, so let's get right to it. This is a $25 Facebook Marketplace acquisition recently. It joins my DW-9052-1B, which I pay $24 for on eBay, which is a cool watch. It doesn't get much wear. This one I've never worn before. I haven't even cleaned it or anything. I'm just gonna swap the battery and then I'll figure out what to do with it afterwards. And that's about it. A friend of mine, actually my vocalist in two of my bands. I don't really talk about my bands on this channel. I've never have before. I separate church and state, as it were. But my vocalist texted us in the group chat yesterday and told us that he found this exact model back in 2018 in a mosh pit after a show. He picked it up. He forgot that he owned it. He found it yesterday, and guess what? It was still functioning. So now we're gonna get Big Will into G-Shocks. So shout out to Big Will. But anyway, let's get to this battery change right here, right now. How you doing? So I unwrapped that battery just because that was gonna be a big pain, and it was. So let's figure this out. It looks like we have these, whatever these are called, I don't even know what they are or function that they serve, because there are spring bars in here, so they don't hold the straps. They don't connect the straps to the watch. So let's take them off. As you know, I'm petrified of stripping screws, but straight off the bat, this is nice because this one feels, and it is easy to take off. A lot of these, they're like cement, and you can't do anything with them. So, there we go. Here's a good one here. That one's a little more difficult than the first one, but here we go. There we go. All right. Apologies, my cat is still getting used to the new apartment that we live in. So he's running around, he's making lots of noise. It's not conducive to quality and quiet video making. I also have an air duct above my head, which I didn't have in my old location. So we're gonna see if that's a problem when I watch this back. Anyway, who cares about that stuff? We care about this stuff. All right. One more screw to go here. All right. So now we've taken both of these, whatever these clamps are, off. Now, one of my other favorite parts, taking spring bars off. Sometimes also a pain. Taking them off, putting them back on, also pains in the necks. So let's see. There we go. Nice and easy. And there we go. All right. You can see that 3232 module in there, DW-9052, very standard, your low-end G-Shock. But I believe this came out in what, 2011? I'm not 100% sure. That sounds late. I could be wrong on that. But It's a popular model to this day. See a lot of them. See a lot of people wearing them. All right, let's hope everything is cool in here. Let's hope there's a gasket. Let's hope. And of course, there we go. There's that gasket. And there's a screw flopping around. There's 3 screws. Okay. All right. Gasket is in good shape. Do have some new tweezers. If you're a long time watcher of the channel, you'll know that I had garbage tweezers. Finally got some new ones. So the gasket is good. Gonna give it an old greasing. The old grease. All right. So this is going to be replaced with a 2016 battery. All right, I don't really know what to do right here. I'm blind as a bat. All right, let's peel this. Okay. Looks like the clasp is right there. There we go. All right. Okay. Simple replacement. Pop it in. Snap it in. Gotta figure that out, huh? Oh, dear mercy me. Dear mercy, mercy me. It's not. There we go. Holy cow. I mean, Jesus Christ. It just wouldn't snap back in. Well, now it's in. There we go. Let's do an AC reset. There we go. Finally, the AC reset. You know, every time I say this is going to be a simple little little battery change, it becomes a whole ordeal. But yeah, AC reset is successful. Battery is installed. Now we're going to lube it up. Gotta get it nice and you know, greasy, so that the water resistance is good. All right, so let's lube this up. That's a little much, but we got to get it nice. Yay. All right. I am not a fan of silicone grease. I really needed to wear 2 gloves, but I am not the smartest person. All right. Now let's get this gasket in there. Right. Good stuff. Gasket is now greased and in. right. We got, oh no, where's the spring that, hope I didn't flop the spring out. I don't see a spring anymore. Well, we're going to find out how it goes. Yep, there's no spring there. Shucks. What is going on here? So this goes like this. Yeah, I lost that spring, huh? Holy moly. Finally was able to put the spring back in after searching for it on the floor. It's been a fun battery swap, but hey, you live and learn, right? So now everything should be good. We got the gasket, we got the spring, we got this back plate. Let's screw this stuff on and get this finished, for God's sake. All right, back plate's on. Let's make sure the everything works. The beeps and creeps. There we go. That's what I want to hear. After all that, looking for a little, I don't even know how big, how many millimeters that thing was, looking for it on the floor. All right. All right, so let's put these straps back. It's going to annoy me, but we know how that goes. Nice. Easy like it should be, right? So I haven't even cleaned this watch. Like I said, I'm just doing a battery replacement right now, and I'll figure out what I'm going to do with this watch. I'll clean it up, but I'll figure out if I'm going to replace stuff. I'll probably get a new strap for it. The bezel looks fine. Man, all straps should be that easy to put on. I seem to have issues with a lot of them, but this was simple, nice and easy. All right, so now we got to put these things on here. You know, like I say, I do these on camera. I learn on camera, so that's probably not the best thing, right? When you're trying to show somebody what to do, but you know, it is what it is. I'm not an expert at this. I don't proclaim to be an expert. I just do this stuff for fun. And of course, I can't find the last screw. Oh, Madonna me. All right, I don't know what that last screw is. I'll have to find it later. But finally, we have a completed battery change on this DW-9052. It's a nice watch. It'll go, you know, with the occasional, when I pop it out, this one right here, the 1V, the 1B. Nice watches. So anyway, I hope you found this informative. It's a simple, like I said, battery change that I make extremely difficult. Is what it is, but it works out for the best. So everyone have a good one.